An espresso old fashioned in Richmond, Virginia. As soon as you walk in this place, massive bar, beautiful big bright red booths. They also have its own custom sushi bar. It looks very Vegas-like. Okay, an espresso old fashioned, they're using Four Roses Bourbon. They're using a Belle Isle cold brew moonshine, which is made right here in Richmond, Virginia. Kahlua, black walnut bitters, and a homemade cold brew ice cube. This is a first. Price point $15.90. Decent sized glass. Again, homemade cold brew ice cube with 3 little espresso beans on top. Seems fitting for an espresso old fashioned. All right, let's get it going. First couple sips. I got espresso bean in my mouth. Hold on. Woo! I've drank a lot of espresso martinis in my time. This thing, if you're trying to wake up or turn up, this is it. It's a cold brew ice cube, cold brew moonshine, and with the Kahlua, which is a coffee liqueur, all of that combined is just like heavy stimulation on the brain. Cheers to all the old-fashioned queens and kings. Let's get it going.
The old-fashioned king, the old-fashioned king.
The custom cold brew ice cube? If you're looking to wake up, skip Starbucks, pound one of these, and you'll be fully alert. We reviewed these old fashions off of 4 things. 0 through 1 on the ambiance of the establishment, and then it's 0 through 3 on the appearance, first few sips, and the overall experience. Max score 10. Ambiance, again, this place is very chic, very sexy. Reminds me a lot like a Vegas type sushi spot. So we'll go full 1 off ambiance. Appearance, decent sized glass. The highest score I give without clarified ice is 2.5. However, this is a custom cold brew ice cube. I gotta cut them slack because they're doing that. That's obviously a timely process similar to clarified ice. So I'm gonna go 2.6. First couple sips, it's clean, it's good, it's incredibly strong. If you drink one of these, you're not going to bed till like 4 or 5 in the morning. First 2 sips, we're gonna go 2.8. It actually stayed very consistent throughout, so we're gonna stick to the same 2.8. And there you have it. Today we're at Red Salt Chop House and Sushi, Richmond, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers, 9.2. Cheers.